Oh, Major V. You're lucky you're not on this ride today. It's about to go down today. I just cut the video off and then like a lightning bolt struck. Sergeant B back there screaming like the world is ending. Look at this right here. Oh yeah. You got people out here fishing like they crazy. Oh yeah, I forgot we're riding bikes too, so that makes us even crazier. What'd you say? We gotta speed up. Just keep pedaling. Just keep pedaling. Rolling, rolling. Watch the pole. That was much more difficult to do with one hand than usual. 6 more miles to go.